Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the tutorial for the exercises in the textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition. We will start to solve the problems for Chapter 12, Pricing and Advertising. Here's the first part, Conditions for Price Discrimination. Let's see exercise 1.1. Many pharmaceutical companies provide low-income old people with a card guaranteeing them discounts on prescription medicines. Why would these firms provide discount drug cards? The firms engage in group price discrimination. They charge low-income older people a lower price than others because they believe that low-income seniors are more price sensitive than other groups of people. Since the low income have a more elastic demand than others, the monopoly firms will charge them a lower price and charge others a higher price. In this way, the monopoly makes more profit than charging all customers a single price. Let's solve exercise 1.2. What are the necessary conditions so that the firm can profitably price discriminate? For a firm to profitably price discriminate, 3 conditions must be met. First, a firm must have market power. Otherwise, it cannot charge any customer more than the competitive price. Second, the reservation price must vary across customers, and the firm must be able to identify which customers are more price sensitive than others. Third, the firm can prevent customers who pay low prices from reselling to those who pay high prices. In short, the 3 necessary conditions are market power, consumer identification, and resale prevention. Let's find answers to exercise 1.3. Spencer's Superior Stoves advertises a one-day sale on electric stoves. The advertisement specifies that the store will not accept firm orders and that the purchaser must transport the stove. Why does the firm include these restrictions? The restrictions help identify different consumer groups. The consumers who are willing to visit the store and transport the stove home are more price sensitive than other customers. The firm charges them a relatively low price and charges others a relatively high price to maximize its total profit. It is a practice of group price discrimination. The consumers who spend time visiting the store and taking the product home have a more price elastic demand than those who order by phone and have the product delivered. Let's go to exercise 1.4. Many colleges provide students from low-income families with scholarships, subsidized loans, and other programs so that they pay lower tuition than students from high-income families. Explain why universities behave this way. Low-income families are more price sensitive than high-income families. Low-income families have a more price-elastic demand for education than high-income families. The universities charge students from low-income families lower tuition and students from high-income families higher tuition to maximize the total profit. The universities engage in group price discrimination. They make more profit with group price discrimination than single pricing. Let's solve exercise 1.5. Disneyland price discriminates by charging lower entry fees for children than for adults and for local residents than for other visitors. Why does it not have a resale problem? That's because visitors need to show their ID cards to enter Disneyland if they use low-price tickets. Thank you very much for solving the exercises with me today. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.